Alright, let's get into this. It's the 29th. I haven't posted here in a few days. It's been probably 3-4 days. Something like that, I don't even know. Reason for that is last post was, I think, the 23rd. That was like the day before Christmas Eve. We were on here. Nothing presented itself. I don't think we traded that day. And then Christmas Eve, we kind of got on there, but we weren't really, looking to trade. Yeah, and so I looked at it for a few minutes, like right at market open, and just kind of looked at previous sessions and stuff, and nothing to write home about. So I went back to bed. I'm not gonna lie to y'all. And then Christmas Day obviously didn't trade, and then the day after Christmas, which was Friday, I didn't even look at the charts. Wasn't because I didn't have time or anything, or it was just because I didn't want to. You know what I mean? No need. You know what I mean? There's always more days to trade, in my opinion. So yeah, and then we just had the weekend, and now it's Monday. We have New Year's on like Thursday, I think. So, yeah, we didn't really have any news this morning. Just one orange folder, and it's like home sales or something, so it doesn't affect the market. Just from what I've seen. But anyway, that's just kind of what's been going on the last few days. But anyway, so now we just gotta lock back in and grind, still being careful these last couple days of December. No trade today. We were on here, nothing presented itself, which is fine. Honestly, just want to be careful these next couple days, just being the last days of December. But yeah, I'm ready for this new year. Wrote down a bunch of things that I want to get done this year. I'm really trying to become a better man. So, yeah, this is a huge year for me. Really trying to grow a lot. But yeah, in just multiple ways. Not just with trading, but, obviously with trading, but, but yeah, so let's just get into what I was thinking for today. I was honestly thinking bearish. We were really we're bearish order flow, as you can tell. We're moving down. Pretty obvious. Inverse this 4-hour gap here. NQ wise, these 4-hour gaps. And ES, we are currently in this daily gap here, and we wigged into it. So we easily could get another push out of this, but then we would almost be in all-time highs at that point. So I honestly don't think we'll do that. I honestly want to say that we will push through this and potentially go lower. I don't know what about today or not, but that's kind of what I would want to see. But I was also careful today, knowing that we are in a gap and we easily could respect this. But yeah, and so I was trying to catch a bearish trade short on NQ because it's closer to these draws. Basically, wanted to just catch this hourly low here. There are just not many other draws, honestly. That's why it was also kind of difficult today. We have these few draws to the upside, and then we have like this, but we took that out at the open. So I figured that was just manipulating those, and maybe we want to move lower. I didn't see us trying to move higher off open anyway, so but yeah, it was honestly just hard to say because we don't have draws. We don't really have many draws, in my opinion. We were just all the way down here, so I was like, okay, I figure we want to take this out, and we also still have this opening gap here. We did take it out already, so I don't honestly. I'm not sure if that's still considered a strong like draw and price range, if that makes sense, since we already took it out. But we also kind of have been playing off of it. If you see, I mean, we took a trade and we wicked this perfectly. I remember like last week or something, and then a couple days pass, boom, move into it again, and now we're getting close to it. So I figure maybe we can tap it again or something, or move into this price range. So that's honestly what I was thinking for today. Whoops. And we'll just show confluences here. So we originally broke structure to upside off open. That was just manipulation though. That's kind of what I was expecting off open. And we end up on NQ, we end up inversing this 5-minute gap. So now we're in bearish structure, this one as well. And then at this point, we're honestly just waiting for a retracement candle to the upside so we can tap equilibrium. We end up not getting that until straight up 9:10. We're only able to trade till 9:30. So once we got this, I was like, okay, it's gonna be all right if we don't trade, because I don't see this happening this quickly, So yeah, we were able to draw out the equilibrium, and then after that, we finally tap it right at we were able to draw it out at the 9:15 candle closure. We end up tapping around, what time is that? About 9:25-ish, right on the open of this candle. And that was at about 9:25, like I just said. So we were honestly just waiting 1 minute structure change there. End up not getting it. We almost got it here on this candle, but we weren't able to enter off that just because it wasn't the break that we needed. So yeah, and then this is the new spot, and we obviously never touched it. So yeah, we're still just kind of consolidating up here. I mean, honestly, kind of not the best price action. I mean, we had big move up and we had big move down, but this is honestly just kind of consolidation here, in my opinion. I mean, it just wasn't really giving us much confluences. Like, it gave us a few imbalances, but price right here just kept filling itself, and we never got that retracement, which is fine. It's not always gonna happen, but yeah, I mean, for this to technically be, I think for this to technically be invalid, it will have to break past this this imbalance here. Obviously break past equilibrium, then we're going to want to go higher, but I think if we break past this, then we will potentially want to go higher, but we're respecting it right now. Let's see if we can get pushes down here, but yeah. So then it's, what time is it right now? It's 9:45. After this, like after 9:30, 9:32 hit, we weren't getting it. So I mean, it's just time to hop off at that point. It's no longer our time zone to trade. You know what I mean? So that's kind of what I was thinking today. I don't know if I'll be right or not. I think I will be, unless we inverse this gap. Then I think I won't be, but yeah, now it's just like, what draws are we closer to though? Are we closer to these hourly draws here, or it's tough because London session consolidated, so that also gives us daily profile wise manipulation plus what's it called, reversal. So yeah, anyway, But yeah, I mean, technically this could be London consolidation, New York manipulation and reversal, but we didn't even manipulate lower. We manipulated higher, so I figure we would want to go to the downside, if that makes sense. But yeah, anyway, that's kind of what we were thinking today. We would have taken the trade. I don't know if I said this already, but we would have taken the trade on what's it called, on NQ, because ES is all the way up here, and this is the, like, NQ is down here. See, I mean, look at this. But yeah, so we may have some sort of hourly S&T as well trying to form. I don't know. I mean, technically from these. So yeah, we easily could, I think, maybe move higher. I don't know. We're just gonna have to see, honestly. Time will tell. No, that wouldn't be. No, that wouldn't be. I'm sorry. Yeah, that's not. So we'll see. We'll see what happens, honestly. I mean, but yeah, I'll probably, yeah, I'll be on here tomorrow. So we'll see what happens. But I'll see you guys tomorrow. Peace.